In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the date format inside ClickUp. So whether you prefer month, date, year, or date, month, year, or something more readable like January 25th, we've got you covered. It's super quick and super easy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log into your ClickUp account and head over to the main workspace that you manage your tasks. For example, we're going to be using this specific workspace right here. Now, I wanted to change the date preferences. For you to be able to do that, I want you to click the profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner. If you do, you will be forwarded with a lot of options. I want you to click the settings and then hover down below. Okay? Where you can see the time and date format. You'll see a lot of options. For example, you could start on the calendar week from Sunday to Monday, or the time format. Is it going to be like 24-hour or 12-hour? It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences, right? Now, you can also choose the date format like month first, date second, and year. Or it's going to be the date first and then month and then year. Or if you wanted, you can choose the year first, followed by month, and then by date. Okay, so all I have to do once you chosen the preference, double check and hover everything on your calendar view later on. Okay, for example, we're going to be choosing the start date is going to be Monday. I am choosing the 24-hour format, and the date format is going to be date, month, and year. Once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click the Save Changes. Now, the changes will affect your entire calendar. For example, if you wanted to manage your events, time block your work, and take meeting notes using your Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook, the changes that you have set will automatically appear. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.